Well, we've been keeping a close eye now on the measles outbreak in western Washington all week long. 43 cases of the disease have been confirmed in the state. One case that is linked to the outbreak has also been confirmed in Oregon.
Spokane County has not been affected yet, but local health officials and agencies and school districts are already preparing, and they're relying on recent experience to help. In News for Your Health tonight, KXLY4's Caroline Rourke working for you with the lessons Spokane learned from a disease outbreak just a few years back.
Yeah, the health district says most Spokane families will be receiving a preventive letter about the measles outbreak, what we know about it so far, and ways to ensure their student can stay in school if it reaches our city. 2 years ago, they got a similar letter when a mumps outbreak kept hundreds of students out of class for weeks. Measles is more contagious than mumps. They're covered by the same vaccine, but the regional health district told me today that the vaccine is more effective with measles. Health officials also said today that vaccination status played less of a role in those who got mumps during the outbreak here, while 37 of the 42 measles cases currently reported in Clark County, Washington, are people who did not have the vaccine. Spokane Public Schools told us this week that about 2,550 kids could be excluded from school right now if measles were to reach Spokane, many of those for reasons other than opposition to vaccination.
We sometimes think of this as, just a issue with people who are hesitant about getting vaccinated, but there are a number of people who just can't get vaccinated, and they really depend on this herd immunity to protect them.
There you go. The health district says it's also likely that many of those students might just have failed to update their records. When exclusion warnings were issued 2 years ago, the health district says about 2/3 of the students who would have been excluded later found proof of prior immunization, or they went and got a vaccine. If you are unsure of your vaccination status, whether you're a student, whether you're an adult, you can always check records with your doctor. You can also get a blood test to check for the antibodies that fight the measles virus, but the health district says that test might not be covered by your health insurance, while most preventive vaccines typically are. In studio, I'm Caroline Rourke, KXLY4 News.
Thank you, Caroline.